Imagine this, two engineers, same college, same batch, same CGPA. One is still stuck at CTC 8 lakh per annum doing the same repetitive tasks. The other just crossed CTC 28 lakh in just 2 years. The difference, one word, AI. And if you think AI careers are only for IIT graduates or PhD holders, then it's a misconception. Because in this video, I'll show you the exact roadmap that professionals are using right now to switch to AI. Let's start with the brutal truth. The job market is changing faster than ever. Companies like Microsoft and Amazon, they're not just hiring coders anymore. They want AI solution builders. According to LinkedIn's 2025 report, AI-related job postings in India grew by 65% in just 1 year. And the average salary for an AI/ML engineer, CTC 15 to 45 lakh per annum. Compare that to a traditional software developer averaging just CTC 6 to 18 lakh. But it's not just tech roles. Companies need AI product managers, analysts, and Gen AI architects. McKinsey predicts that by 2030, AI will add 15.7 trillion to the global economy. So the question isn't whether you should switch to AI. The question is, can you afford not to? I know what's going on in your head. Let me address the 5 biggest fears stopping you. Fear number 1, I don't have a CS degree. Listen, some of the best AI pros come from mechanical or arts backgrounds. AI is about logic and problem solving, not just memorizing textbooks from an IIT. Fear number 2, I'm too old. In 2025, the fastest growing group entering AI was age 28 to 40. Companies want experienced pros who understand business. Your domain experience is your superpower. Fear number 3, maths is too hard. Modern tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch have abstracted the heavy math. You need to understand concepts, not derive equations on a whiteboard. Fear number 4, I can't afford expensive courses. Structured boot camps starting at Rs 25,000 give you full support. Compare that to an MBA costing 20 lakhs with no guarantee. The ROI in AI is unmatched. Fear number 5, AI will replace AI engineers. AI creates tools. It needs humans to design and deploy them. Now that we've cleared the blocks, here is the exact 6-step roadmap to your AI career switch. Step 1, assess where you stand. Software developers already know programming. Marketers know behavior. Step 2, learn the stack. Start with Python, then ML algorithms, and finally generative AI and LLMs. Step 3, build a killer portfolio. Prove you can build real solutions, not just collect certificates. Step 4, get certified the smart way. Look for programs with hands-on projects and placement assistance. Step 5, optimize your brand. Update your LinkedIn, and share your AI learning journey publicly. Step 6, crack the interview. Focus on ML system design and your portfolio projects. You're ready. Now let's talk money. Freshers start at CTC 8 to 15 lakh, but senior AI leads can hit CTC 70 lakh. In FAANG or international roles, we're talking over CTC 1 crore. These are real, verified numbers. Don't wait, the AI revolution is here. Check the link in the description and start your journey today.